tragic.
What's up, friends? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another video, guys. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, hey y'all. What, y'all know I'm dressed. So we're doing what on our way out the door? It is a Tuesday. It's one of my really good friends' birthdays. So we're about to do two of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Birthday dinner in downtown. Gotta love it, baby. Yes. Anyway, I was on my way out the door and I was like, you know what? I ain't checked in a minute. I mean, to y'all, I'm checking in, but to me, I haven't. So I just wanted to come in and kind of introduce the vlog so I can take you guys with me. We're going to SAMBUCA. We're running late per use. The good thing about BM is that BM be late too. BM late. BM don't even know I'm coming because I ain't no RSVP. Because I felt like we BMs. That was for people that's not BMs. Like, what's understood don't have to be explained. Was I supposed to? Okay. Anyway, well, I'm showing up. And if she know me like I know she know me, she know I'm showing up. She probably said, that's just BM. BM ain't gonna follow the rules. Anyway, y'all, real quick, I got on this tube top from Didi's jacket. You seen it. If you've been following me, you've seen this jacket from Shein. Earrings from City Trend when I was out with Mom. Glasses. I still don't know who sent them. I've been having them, I want to say since November. Some months now. I've been having them some months. Jeans. I got on my YMI jeans, baby. And can y'all see these shoes, child? My shoes are from Crazy Boss. So yeah, baby, we a little mixture of everything. Girl, only thing about wearing glasses, you have to try to be mindful of it showing in the screen. But anyway, that's not what y'all tuned in for. What I've been up to, y'all. I've been taking advantage of my little ships. And when I say ships, memberships, my fitness memberships. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Look. Look. Me trying to get it together, y'all. Anyway, y'all, we are about to go to SAMBUCA. And if you don't know what SAMBUCA is because you've never been to Houston, it's a little jazz restaurant-like spot. I think it's more like a tapas bar. It's located downtown. It's been open since Jesus was a baby, but I haven't been in years. I want to say probably about 10 years, I want to say. I don't know. So I don't know how it is now. And it's a Tuesday, so I don't know. I want to play jazz, so hopefully that's what we're going to hear. Like I said, I don't know. I haven't been there in a while. But whatever about to go down, we going together. We're going to grab a cup, and we're going to head out the door. Come on, y'all. I said, come on. Oh, yeah. I forgot I didn't show y'all. I'm trying to get out of here. But I forgot I didn't show y'all my bag. We got this bag from Didi's. Y'all know, I do my own thing, baby. Like my little sister say, baby, I stay in my own lane. I don't try to do nothing nobody else do or whatever. If you like it, great. If you don't, I'm still going to do it. There's that, but y'all, I'm in the middle of a flash, so we're gonna go towards this fan up, because I don't know how far I gotta go from the car to the goddamn thing. I don't know if I gotta pay. I don't know nothing, but we about to find out. Okay, we're going for real this time. So friends, I've been jamming, child, in concert mode, trying to figure out my whole life. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I don't know the protocol right now, but right now I'm parked right in front of it. So this is a good thing. I'm already late, so she probably mad thinking this bitch ain't gonna show up. So let me go ahead and make my appearance. I'll be back. heavens, honey. We have left the birthday dinner and we are on our way home. It was really cool. I haven't had I didn't have anything to drink. I really didn't even eat, to be perfectly honest with you. Y'all know I'm fasting, and I'm just not saying that I'm perfect with it, but it was just like, I mean, I did want to be rude and didn't get any cake, but it was like a little cupcake, and it was pretty good. It was a liquor infused cupcake. I did fix a drink before I left the house, but I was late, so everybody was like, eating dinner. Okay, I've had Sambuca's food before, and it was just okay. So I didn't feel like eating okay food, if that makes sense. But it was a vibe. It was really nice. Child, my old ass went in there, and I bet you they say she acting funny, child. I didn't recognize anybody at first because I wasn't really paying attention. I was like making my way there to her, over there to her, to give her a hug because I was late. And then I noticed her sisters and her cousins, and then her cousin, girl, y'all, her cousin said she a fan, and I was like, when she said she was a fan, I was like, of who? She was like, she was like, girl, you be having me cracking up. She's talking about my reels because I'll post reels on my Facebook. And she said, girl, you have me cracking up. You need to post more. And I'm like, thinking to myself, all it be is clips from my vlog. But okay, I do need to post more because they do really good over there. But yeah, y'all like that little light coming from the heavens, that little LCD? That's cute, huh? I think I get tired of being in the dark. Oh Lord, I done got like all the way dressed up. Y'all might have to see this outfit again, cause she wasn't out that long. Anyway, I got a lot of compliments on my earrings, and we got some stuff coming up, girl. We got some stuff coming up, and on a Tuesday at Sambuca, it's not like super packed, so it wasn't like super packed, so it's like it wasn't really anything to film, and I didn't want to throw a camera up in people's face while they were eating, so there's that. Maybe these motherfuckers here. Yeah, I just want to go on record and say to Houston drivers or whoever, it's okay to turn your fucking blinker on before you get over. It's okay. I promise. We're not mad if you turn your blinker on before you get your ass over. I'm just trying to get home in one little piece. That's it. Shit. Anyway, y'all. Oh, God. I don't want to start to ramble. I'm trying to think. Y'all, that's what I forgot to tell y'all. I should have started off the damn video saying this. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. I had to pull my name card. Let me tell you what happened, y'all. Y'all know we went to the rodeo I think it was the last vlog. Went to the rodeo. So when you get to the rodeo, you have to go through the metal detectors. So I go through the metal detectors. The thing is going off. I'm like, that never happens to me. So y'all know I never wear a cowboy hat. Well, if you don't know, you know now. I don't never wear a carrot. That was literally my first time ever in life wearing a cowboy hat for a long period of time. So it was my head going off. Now, backstory. If you paid attention to the vlog, you noticed I had on a cap earlier that day. So it ain't like I washed my hair and put on the cowboy hat. I just took out one head and put on the other. So you already know what that looked like. Child. He said, oh, wait a minute. This real green motherfucker. Anyway, y'all, he told me to go through it again. I go through it again. He said, take your head off. you can't warn me or nothing? You can't warn it? Like, warn it. He talking about, I got you. Whoo. That baby, I wasn't gonna be able to do it. Oh, Lord have mercy, my nerves is bad. Y'all, I just wasn't gonna be able to go in. I guess I ain't going to the concert. But the concert, speaking of the concert, it was really, really good. I really enjoyed it. Bun B did his thing. I went last year and it was pretty good. But this year was just different because the only people that we knew that were gonna be there was Juvenile and Manny Fresh, and then my boys MJG and A-Bar Neon. So, but he ended up bringing out Trinity. He did it like Southern style, so he would just pull out, he'll put up a name of the state. So he put up Mississippi, and your boy David Banner came out. Son is a habit. Get like me. Hey. Okay. But he came out. Was it somebody else? No. Did I tell you? I feel like I told y'all all this already. I don't know. But yeah, it was a really good. It was really good. So there was that. But yeah, y'all. They tried to get me with the cap. They tried to, girl, like how that light look on me. Oh, this gleaming and shit. Oh, girl. Oh, let somebody FaceTime. Somebody FaceTime me right now. FaceTime me. Oh, y'all, I'm rambling, y'all. People riding by, looking at me, because it looked like the heavens had opened up. So let me focus on this road. I'm actually not far from the house, so I'll come back later. What's up, friends? I'm back, y'all. Y'all know what I forgot to tell y'all about last night? Night was pretty refreshing. And when I say that, I'm like, of course, the whole experience and the reason why I was there, but being around a bunch of women that's either 50 or in their 50s or like 50 Eve, aka 49, it made you feel normal. And what I mean by that is not like, of course, I'm always around all age demographics. That's not a problem for me. But if you've been watching me, you know, a couple of vlogs, I said, this menopause could literally drive you crazy. Like, literally. Like, if you do research, it's driving people crazy, and even to the point where they wanted to end their lives or have in their lives. So I said it's good to get in a group, you know, so you're around like-minded people so you won't feel so strange. Because so many things happen to your body. You just like, and you're like, man, last year I wasn't even doing this. Now it's like, so you're hearing conversations around the table. And I heard one lady said that she couldn't wait. Look, this right here, you know what you want to say and you can't get it out. I heard somebody say that. I heard somebody talk about how they can't find their car, to the point where they was crying looking for their car. Charlie was in their sister's car, but you know, hey, it happens. And just hearing things, memory is not like it used to be, and it's just like. And then I forgot to tell y'all, I blew up into can't even get my words together. A hot flash came to the party as well, child. So I'm sitting there with a fan about to go crazy because where we sat at in Sambuca, it's upstairs. So we was upstairs. So if you know about heat rises. So baby, yeah. It's almost like they turned the air on right before we came and sit down. Child, look here. I had that fan. I was so glad that it was charged and it worked the whole entire time. I had to sit it on the table, and then when I sit it on the table, they was like, you still got your fan on? I'm like, yeah. I'm hot nature anyway. If you know me, you know me. Y'all know. I got fans on me all day. I'm about to turn this one on in a minute. I sleep with a fan by my head and one on my back. She can't be hot. I'm hot nature, period. So me and these hot flashes, I'm like, ooh, Lord, would it be in wintertime still? And we've been in the 80s and 90s. I'm like, ooh, I don't know how your girl gonna make it. Ooh, oops, better start drinking water now for the spring and summertime. Anyway, I just wanted to come and tell y'all that, just in case it's someone that's around my age or close to my age, or like with me, even if you're not my age, I need you to know, because ain't nobody coming out here telling you about how this pause gonna do you, aka menopause. Ain't nobody talking about it. I'm talking about it over and over. Shoot. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say, and that I love y'all, and I'll see y'all the day after tomorrow.
Like film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' nigga tragic.